Hello friends, welcome to my channel Unscrambler, and today in this video I will introduce my all Rubik's Cube collection. So this is my first 3x3 Rubik's Cube and I start to solve my 3x3 Rubik's Cube from this. So this is my first and basic 3x3 Rubik's Cube. This is another 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and in this cube we can solve this cube, same like that. These are all red face and these two are blue. So this 3x3 Rubik's Cube made by me. This is another 3x3 Rubik's Cube and I purchased this cube from bookshop. So this is also 3x3 Rubik's Cube. This is also simple 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and also this is 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and in this 3x3 Rubik's Cube we have these stickers. This is also 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and in this cube we have these small blocks in every side. This is also kind of 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and we can say this is 3x3 limb Rubik's Cube. And also we can solve this cube same simple 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So this is simple cube, and this is Lan rhombic octahedron cube, and these two cubes are same. So this is Puppet version 2, and I cannot solve this cube. Okay, so this is another simple cube. This is Maple Leaf Polaris Rubik's Cube. We can rotate this cube like that. First we will rotate our these corners in this position, and then we will rotate this cube. So this is very interesting puzzle. Okay, so this is icosahedron Rubik's Cube. In this cube we have total 4 layers. So this is first layer. This is second, this is third, and this is fourth. This is Megaminx Rubik's Cube. So in this cube we have these sticker. This is 2x2 Kilominx, and also we can say 2x2 Megaminx Rubik's Cube. This is 3x3 apple shaped Rubik's Cube, and we can also solve this cube same like simple 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Okay, so this is 6x6. This is another 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and we can say this is 3x3 Bunty Rubik's Cube. This is 3x3 Barrel Rubik's Cube. And this is Diamond's Cube. This is 6-spot Rubik's Cube, and we can solve this cube same like Ivy Leaf Rubik's Cube. This is small rolling sliding puzzle. This is barrel ready Rubik's cube. We can rotate this cube like that. So this is ready Rubik's cube and this is in barrel shape Rubik's cube. This is another barrel ready Rubik's cube and this is simple plastic material and this barrel ready cube is jelly material. So these two are same. This is simple Pyraminx Rubik's cube, 3-layer Pyraminx. So this is 4x4 Master Morphix Rubik's cube, and also we can say Mega Morphix Rubik's cube. And this is kind of cube, and I cannot solve this cube, and I don't know what is its name. So you can see we can rotate this cube like that and also rotate in this position. So I cannot solve this cube. This is 3 by Christmas tree Rubik's cube. This is 3 by 3 ghost Rubik's cube. This is rainbow Rubik's cube. We can rotate this cube like that. Okay, so this is Clover Pyraminx Rubik's cube. This is very interesting Rubik's cube, and we can solve this cube very easily. This is another 4 by 4 Pyraminx. In this cube we have total 4 layer. So this is 4 by 4 Pyraminx Rubik's cube. And this is rolling sliding beans. In this cube we can rotate our cube from this middle portion. Like first we will manage this cube. Okay, so we can rotate this cube like that, and we will replace these small balls to each other. This is also very interesting puzzle, and also we can see this is like spinner. This is Super Ivy Rubik's cube. This is 3 by 3 mirror Rubik's cube, and this is silver 3 by 3 mirror Rubik's cube. So this is another 3 by 3 Bunty Rubik's cube. Okay, so this is Phoenix Rubik's cube. We can rotate this cube like that. Three by three Master Morphix Rubik's cube. So this is simple Ivy Rubik's cube. This is kind of 2 by 2 Rubik's cube. This is 3 by 3 windmill Rubik's cube. We can rotate this cube same like simple 3 by 3. In this cube we also have 3 layer, also have edge, also we have in this cube centers and corner. This is small 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. This is 2 by 2 2 by 2 by 3 barrel Rubik's cube. This is twist 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, and also this is also twist 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, and we can solve these two same like simple 3 by 3. Okay, so this is another simple IV Rubik's cube. This is jumbling Paraminx Rubik's cube, and in this cube we can jumble our cube from different sides, and also I cannot solve this Rubik's cube. This is 3 by 3 Siamese Rubik's cube, and this is very interesting Rubik's cube, and we can solve this cube by using some new algorithm, because in this cube we can rotate U, we also can rotate R, we also can rotate L down, but in this cube we cannot rotate front, I mean F. So in this cube we can use some new kind of algorithm. This is a 4 by 4 by 4 octahedron Rubik's cube, and we can also solve this cube same like cane ball and also same like icosahedron Rubik's cube. This is rainbow ball Rubik's cube. This is disc Paraminx Rubik's cube, and in this cube we have in every side disc, and when we scramble our cube we will rotate our disc. We can say this is disc Paraminx, and also we can say this is coin Paraminx Rubik's cube. We can rotate our cube by using this. Square 1 Rubik's cube. This is 4 by 4 Rubik's cube. Okay, so this is our 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, and in this cube we can solve this cube. We can say 3 by 3 cube in cube in cube. In this position we have yellow border, we have white face, and we will catch our this red button in this position, and its opposite we will catch this white button in this red portion. So this 3 by 3 Rubik's cube made by myself. This is very interesting and very challenging. Okay, so this is 7 by 7. This is simple 3 by 3 ready Rubik's cube. This is 2 by 2 Rubik's cube. Okay, so this is another 7 by 7 Rubik's cube. So these two are same. So this is our Fisher's cube. We can rotate this cube like that. So this is Fisher's cube. This is another square one Rubik's cube. Okay, so this is another kind of 3 by 3 and also made by me. So this is just a fun. Okay, so this is 6-layer rolling sliding puzzle. This is also very interesting. So this is small snake Rubik's cube. Okay, so this is our another Rubik's cube. We can say this its name. Oh, this is 3 by 3 Penrose Rubik's cube. This is 5 by 5 Master Morphix, and also we can say Ultra Morphix Rubik's cube. So this is another 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, simple 3 by 3. Okay, so this is our third ready barrel Rubik's cube. This is a curvicopter Rubik's cube. This is also very interesting. So this is 2 by 2 Kilomings, and this is also 2 by 2 Kilomings. But in this cube we have in every side center. I mean, in this side we have blue center, in this side we have orange, in this side we have gray. So they are same. This is another Christmas tree Rubik's cube. 3 by 3 Fisher Rubik's cube. We can check this cube. So this is also very interesting. This is kind of 2 by 2, and we can say this is 2 by 2 McDonald Rubik's cube. Three by 3 Axis Rubik's cube. This is also very interesting, and we can solve this cube like 3 by 3 Master Morphix Rubik's cube. So this is our gear ball Rubik's cube. We can rotate this cube like that. So this is also very interesting Rubik's cube. This is our second Phonix Rubik's cube. Case cube, and also we can say 3 by 3 slice Rubik's cube. This is kind of 3 by 3. This is our another square 1 Rubik's cube. So this is Mega Minx stickerless Rubik's cube. This is small 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. This is another simple 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, and very hard Rubik's cube. This is another small 3 by 3. Three by 3 by 2 Rubik's cube. Simple Paraminx Rubik's cube. So this is 3-layer Paraminx. This is also kind of Paraminx Rubik's cube. We can see. And this is Ghost Paraminx Rubik's cube, and I cannot solve this cube. This is Maple Leaf Twist Polaris Rubik's cube. We can rotate this cube like that. We will match these two and replace to each other. So this is very interesting and very challenging Rubik's cube. This is Void Rubik's cube. In this cube we have only edges. We have no corner and no center, and we can solve this cube same like simple 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. This is just a collection and also made by myself. So this is 3-layer Rubik's Cube. So this is Puppet version 1 and also I cannot solve this cube. This is kind of 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. And these two are just fidget Rubik's Cube. And we can rotate cube like that. I mean it can change its shape. 1 by 3 spinner Rubik's Cube. And this is kind of 3 by 3 bubble Rubik's Cube. This is another windmill 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. This is 3 by 3 Pandora Rubik's Cube. And we can solve this cube same like 3 by 3. These are center, these are edges and these are corner. So this is same like simple 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. This is also simple 3 by 3 Pyraminx Rubik's Cube. This is 3 by 3 colored mirror Rubik's Cube. So this is kind of mirror Rubik's Cube. We have white layer, blue layer and pink layer. This is simple mirror Rubik's Cube. This is golden mirror Rubik's Cube. And this is windmill mirror Rubik's Cube. Three by three layer Rubik's Cube. This is top layer, this is blue, middle layer yellow and down layer red. So this is kind of 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. Okay, so this is kind of 3 by 3 and I don't know its proper name, but we can solve this cube by using simple 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube tricks. This is stickerless 3 by 3 windmill Rubik's Cube. Simple 3 by 3 gear Rubik's Cube. Another 3 by 3 stickerless gear Rubik's Cube. This is gear ball. So this is kind of 3 by 3 cube in a cube in a cube. This is another simple 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So this is kind of 3 by 3 and also made by me. So we can say 3 by 3 gift pack pattern. Another simple Pyraminx Rubik's Cube, but in this we have sticker in every side. Axis time wheel Rubik's Cube. Very difficult Rubik's Cube, but I can solve this cube and also I have its tutorial. So we can rotate this cube like that. So in this cube we have 3 layer and also in every side we have these small points. So when we scramble our cube, so these points are also scramble. So this is very difficult Rubik's Cube. 3 by 3 curvy shape Rubik's Cube. Another 3 layer 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So this is our third Mega Minx Rubik's Cube. This is also stickerless. 2 by 2 by 4 cuboid, and also we can say 2 by 2 by 4 tower Rubik's Cube. Very interesting and very easy Rubik's Cube. Rex Rubik's Cube. We can rotate like a IV cube, and we can solve this cube same like Master's Cube. 4 by 4 super mask Rubik's Cube. This is another 3 by 3 axis Rubik's Cube. 3 by 3 by 9 Rubik's Cube. So this is very interesting Rubik's Cube, and also I can solve this cube. This is Devil Eye Rubik's Cube. This is very simple and very easy Rubik's Cube. Okay, so this is another apple shaped Rubik's Cube. We can solve this cube same like simple 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. This is our another ready 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. This is very simple and very easy Rubik's Cube. This is 3 by 3 dice Rubik's Cube. This is another 4 by 4 Rubik's Cube. Star barrel 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So in this cube we have star in both sides, and its shape like barrel. So we can say this is star barrel Rubik's Cube. This is gear barrel Rubik's Cube. We can solve this cube by using simple gear Rubik's Cube technique. Another gear barrel Rubik's Cube. This is 3 by 3 barrel Rubik's Cube. I have scrambled this cube, but this is kind of barrel Rubik's Cube. 3 by 3 barrel Rubik's Cube. 3 by 3 Master Morphix Rubik's Cube. I also introduce another 3 by 3 Master Morphix. This is also 3 by 3 barrel Rubik's Cube. This is 2 by 2 world shape Rubik's Cube, and this is world map. This is doubles cube. This is also very interesting Rubik's Cube, and in this doubles cube we have one special corner. So I will introduce. Okay, so this is our special corner. From this position, if I rotate this cube, so it can also change these inner centers. So this is our doubles cube. This is gear cone Rubik's Cube, and also I cannot solve this cube, but I have scrambled this cube. So this is gear cone. Small 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. 1 by 3 floppy Rubik's Cube. Also 1 by 3 floppy Rubik's Cube. This is another cube in a cube in a cube. So this is kind of 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. This is rainbow ball Rubik's cube, and also we can solve this cube same like Ivy Rubik's cube. This is our another rolling sliding Rubik's cube. So this is a time machine, and I have lost one piece. So this is X's time machine Rubik's cube. This is very interesting and some little bit difficult. This is just a collection and toy for kids. This is container Rubik's cube. Another 3 by 3 barrel Rubik's cube. This is 3 by 3 Avenger Heroes Rubik's cube. In every side we can see we have Avenger hero picture. This is 5 by 5 Rubik's cube. Two by 3 Rubik's cube. This is Master's cube, some little bit difficult and very interesting Rubik's cube. This is kind of Paraminx Rubik's cube. So in this cube we have these wheel, and when we rotate our cube and also when we scramble this cube, so we will use these middle portion like that. So this is kind of Paraminx. This is another 3 by 3 scrub bubble shape. So this is same like simple 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. This is kind of Master Morphix, but we can see this is in curvy shape, and also we can solve same like simple 3 by 3 Master Morphix Rubik's cube. And this is very interesting. This is Gear Drift Rubik's cube. In this cube we have also these edges. I mean when we scramble our cube, so our these edges also scramble. So we can say this is Gear Drift Rubik's cube. Another 6 by 6 Rubik's cube. This is 3 by 3 Ghost Black Rubik's cube. So first I introduce in blue color. So this is Ghost Black Rubik's cube. This is 3 by 3 barrel Rubik's cube. This is another 3 by 3 mirror Rubik's cube. So we can say 3 by 3 golden mirror Rubik's cube. Okay, so this is another simple 3 by 3 Paraminx Rubik's cube. And now I will introduce Mix-Ups cube. So this is Mix-Ups cube version 1. We can rotate this cube like that, and we can replace these small parts. So this is version 1. This is version 2, some little bit tricky and some little bit difficult. In this part 2 we have divided these middle portion in two parts, and some little bit more challenging and difficult. So this is a second version of Mix-Ups cube, and also this is third version, and this is also very difficult, we can see. So these three are Mix-Ups cube, and this is Scare 2, but in this cube I have lost one piece, but I can solve this cube. So this is very easy Rubik's cube, and very easily we can solve this cube. So this is our Scare 2 Rubik's cube. 3 by 3 lemon Rubik's cube. Also we can solve same by using simple 3 by 3 technique. So this is 3 by 3 banana Rubik's cube, and also this is 3 by 3 banana Rubik's cube. This is also 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. In this cube we have same color corner, we solve just these centers. So this is basic 3 by 3. I mean white opposite yellow, orange, green, red and blue. So this is also made by myself. This is simple 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. This is 2 by 2 ghost Rubik's cube. Some little bit difficult. And this is ghost series. This is another snake Rubik's cube, and also I have solved in proper ball shape. So this is snake Rubik's cube. So this is our mosaic Rubik's cube. This is very interesting, and in this cube we have this layer, also we have this layer. So this is very interesting Rubik's cube, and we can solve this cube very easily. So this is very simple and very easy Rubik's cube. We can solve it. This is another 3 by 3. So this is also made by myself. This is 2 by 2 Master Morphix Rubik's cube. Okay, so this is our Gear Morphix Rubik's cube. Very interesting. Gear Master Morphix. Okay, so this is corner cut Rubik's cube. Some little bit difficult. And also in this cube we have some jumble moves. I mean, if I rotate this layer in this position, similar if I rotate this layer in this position, so I can jumble, I mean I can replace piece from to each other. So some little bit difficult, and its name corner cut Rubik's cube. So this is Gear Extreme Rubik's cube, but I cannot rotate this cube. This is just sample because I have destroyed this cube. This is small 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. So this is kind of a ready Rubik's cube. So in this cube we have heart in every side, and also we can solve this cube by using same simple ready Rubik's cube technique. This is kind of Pyraminx. So this is our another 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. So we can solve this cube same like 3 by 3. These are corner, these are edges, and in this cube we have no any center. So this is our 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, and this is also very difficult Rubik's cube, and also I cannot solve this cube. Its name Crazy Comet Rubik's cube, but this is very difficult Rubik's cube, and I am still fail to solve this cube. So this is Gear Pyraminx Rubik's cube. Very interesting and very challenging puzzle, and also one of my favorite puzzle. So this is Gear series. Okay, so this is Dino Rubik's cube. In this cube we also only have edges, we have no center, we have no corner. So this is Dino Rubik's cube. So this is our 5 by 5 Rubik's cube, 4 by 4 windmill Rubik's cube. some little bit difficult and also some little bit more challenging. Prismatic octahedron Rubik's Cube. This is also very interesting Rubik's Cube, and we can rotate this cube like that. I mean, we can change these axes to each other and then we will solve. So this is very interesting Rubik's Cube and very small in size. Small 3 by 3. This is 2 by 2 stickerless Rubik's Cube. This is kind of Pyraminx, and we can say fiber Pyraminx Rubik's Cube. So this is very simple and very easy Rubik's Cube. We can solve this cube within just 2 or 3 moves. Okay, so this is 2 by 2 Smiley's Rubik's Cube. In every side we have smiley face. We can solve this cube same simple 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube. This is another 3 by 3 Phomix sheet and also made by myself. So in every side we have these glitter sheets. This is Super's cube, and also we can solve this cube some little bit simple 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So this is our Super Square 1 Rubik's Cube, but this is scrambled and some little bit difficult and some little bit challenging. This is another rainbow Rubik's Cube. We can solve this cube very easily. And this is 1 by 3 spinner Rubik's Cube. This is very smooth. So this is 1 by 3 spinner. And this is my last Rubik's Cube. This is 3 by 3 egg Rubik's Cube. And also we can solve this cube same like simple 3 by 3. Okay, so that is total my Rubik's Cube collection. You can see. So this is my cube collection, and I request to all people, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.